Struggling to design engaging activities for your next workshop? Here are 6 things that you need to keep in mind to design engaging workshop activities. Number 1 is relevance. There's nothing worse than doing irrelevant activities or getting bombarded with irrelevant information. If it's not useful or relevant for the problem that you're helping people solve, leave it out. Instead, use real-world examples and personal experiences. Number 2, interactivity. Make sure the activity you design allows the audience to be active participants, not just passive viewers. You can use things like group discussions, live polls, Q&A, and hands-on activities to get them more involved. Number 3 is proper challenge. Keep Goldilocks in your mind. If the challenge is too easy, your audience will be bored. But if the challenge is too hard, the audience will be frustrated and feel discouraged, thinking that they're just not skilled enough to successfully complete the task. So design something that's just hard enough to motivate them to work a little harder without getting discouraged. Number 4, autonomy. People want to feel a sense of control over their own learning. Nobody likes to have someone tell them what to do all the time. So try not to dictate every aspect of the activity. Build in ways for your participants to make their own choices. Maybe the participants can choose topics based on their interests. Maybe you give them options for different ways to approach the activity. Or maybe you give them an opportunity to lead an activity, like a discussion. Number 5, clear objectives. The objectives of the activity should be clear enough that your participants do not spend time wondering what to do. You can lose engagement in confusion. So the learners should know what the objective is and then understand how they're making progress towards it. And last but not least, fun. The activities should be fun and enjoyable. It's much easier to feel engaged in an activity that is fun and enjoyable. So try to make the learner experience as positive as possible. You can use gamified elements such as friendly competitions, rewards, team challenges. Or you might include interactive, lighthearted activities like icebreakers, creative exercises. These all help make learning enjoyable and help participants connect on a social level. These 6 elements can collectively enhance engagement by aligning the workshop activities with participants' needs, interests, and learning preferences, resulting in a more impactful workshop and learning experience.